15 minutes, we are going to perform the following list. 10 V-ups, followed by 10 stiff-legged deadlifts, followed by 10 Renegade Rows. Again, we need to complete all 3 of those movements within 90 seconds. On the stiff-legged deadlift, reminder that we are looking for you to add some weight, but we want to make sure that your positioning is perfect before you overload yourself. And on the Renegade Row, similarly, we want you to add weight to that movement, but we'd like you to keep your hips and shoulders square to the floor as you're pulling the weight off of the floor. All right, and moving on for part B, today we have an AMRAP. Today's AMRAP is 15 minutes, as many rounds as possible of the following list. We have 12 air squats, followed by 12 push-ups, followed by 12 lunges, and finishing the list off with 24 double unders. If you don't have a jump rope available at home, remember that a lateral jump is a great substitution. All right, you guys, good luck. We hope you enjoy these workouts, and we look forward to hearing how you did.